Good evening, guys. It's Emmanuel once again, and today we are here once again to do hamster Morse code. Okay, so what are we spelling today? We are spelling pump. We are spelling pump. Okay, so I get onto my WhatsApp group, and then to show you what we are spelling pump. Okay, pump for today. As usual, to spell P-U-M-P, we consult our chart. Okay, so we have consulted our chart. Let's go back to hamster and activate the Morse code. We activate the Morse code by tapping 3 times up here. So let's do that. 1, 2, 3. We have activated the Morse code. Then let's go. To spell P is what? P is this is P. Dot dash dash dot. Dot dash dash dot. Okay, so let's do that. You tap your phone, hold your phone, release, hold your phone, release, then tap your phone. Okay, let's do that. Dot dash dash dot. Okay, P has been spelled. Now we go back to spell U, letter U. And what is letter U? Letter U is dot dot dash. Dot dot dash. So we tap our phone 2 times and then we hold it last time and release. Okay, let's do that. U is dot dot dash. You hold your phone. Okay, U has been registered. Then the next letter is letter M. Letter M. And how do we spell that? M is very simple. Dash dash. 2 dash. Dash dash. 2 dash. Okay, so let's do that now. Dash dash. The M has been spelled. So the last letter is P. So we are going back to P again. And this is letter P. Dot dash dash dot. Dot dash dash dot. Okay. We tap our phone, hold and then tap our phone. So let's do that. We tap our phone, hold, tap. And we have pump. So that is that for that. You take your prize. And then see you tomorrow, guys. Please like, subscribe, and share this YouTube channel. Tell your friends and turn on the bell notification. For every single video I do, you will get the notification because there is more to come. Bye-bye.